In this video, I want to show you how to pair your iPhone, could also be an Android device, with your Sony AV receiver. This way you'll be able to listen to your music or movies from your iPhone, but through the speakers attached to your AV receiver. So let's get started right away. The first step is to put your receiver in pairing mode, in Bluetooth pairing mode. So how do you do this? Well, you're gonna notice on the left side of the receiver over here, these are buttons. One of them should be Bluetooth, all right? It's this one over here, Bluetooth. What you have to do is to simply press once on it. And if there is no other devices connected to your Sony receiver, you're gonna get pairing flashing on the display. And you're gonna also see the blue light over here flashing. It simply means that it's in pairing mode. It's waiting for a device to connect. So go ahead and on your iPhone or Android, we need to go into the Bluetooth settings. On the iPhone, you simply need to drag from the top right corner. You're gonna see the Bluetooth logo there. Tap on it, keep press on it, Bluetooth settings. And now this is the Bluetooth list. Go all the way down and your Sony receiver should appear over here. You see mine is the STRDH590. Yours may have a different model name. Tap on it, wait a few seconds. And over here on the display, it's now saying iPhone R. This is the name of my iPhone. If your phone has a different name, well, it will be displayed over here and it's now connected. If we check on my Bluetooth devices, all right, let me find my Sony receiver here. Here we go. It's this one. It will say connected. In the future, if you want to disconnect or completely erase the receiver from your iPhone or Android memory, there is an I button over here. On Android is a bit different. You need to click on the device itself and then you'll be able to choose this. And you have these two options. Disconnect. This is if, let's say, you don't want these two devices to be connected anymore, but you plan to use them together in the future. So you don't have to pair them every time. Forget this device is if you want to erase completely this receiver from the memory of your iPhone, if you plan to never connect them again. You can go ahead and open any application with music or let's say a movie and go ahead, watch, and the sound should come out from your receiver speakers. As you see right now, this receiver is connected to my iPhone, but if in the future, let's say a friend comes to your place and want to connect his or her phone to your receiver, all you have to do is to press again on the Bluetooth button and pairing will appear again, and that person can take its phone and do whatever you just did a few seconds ago, and their phone will be the one connected. So now my computer is connected to this receiver. If I want to switch back to my phone, let's say I'm done listening music through my computer, I want my phone, well, you cannot simply go on the Bluetooth settings of your phone and click on your receiver. It will not connect since currently it's connected to another device. What you have to do is to click again on the Bluetooth button. It will say pairing, but since we already have connected our phone to our receiver, I simply have to go back into the Bluetooth settings of my phone, find the device that I have already connected previously. Right now it's not connected. Tap on it and it will connect back. So you absolutely need to do this every time you want to switch from different Bluetooth devices. But overall, this is it. By the way, what I just showed you now can also be done with the remote control in case, let's say, you don't want to press the buttons on your receiver. You need to tap on the pairing button that is located right over here. You see it says Bluetooth pairing and it does the same exact thing as the button that is on your receiver. I hope my video was helpful. If so, please leave a comment down below. Tell me it worked. Leave a like, subscribe. This is helping my channel and I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching and have a beautiful day.